In this video, I'm going to use fundamental theorem of calculus part 1 to find the derivative of this function. We know that if f is continuous on some closed interval ab, and we define g of x as follows: integral a to x f of t dt, then by the fundamental theorem of calculus part 1, we know that g prime of x is f of x on the open interval a comma b. However, in our case, we have a little problem. It's square root of x, but it's not that big of a problem. We can just do a substitution and use the chain rule. It'll work. So let's say u is equal to square root of x, which is the same as x to the power of 1/2, right? So my du over dx is going to be 1/2 x to the power 1/2 minus 1, which is x to the power 1/2 minus 1, and du over dx is going to be 1/2 x to the power negative 1/2, which is nothing but 1/2 1 over square root of x, which is 1 over 2 square root of x. So now, if I do the substitution, what do I get? D over dx integral 1 to, instead of square root of x, I'm just going to put u cosine of t dt. Now look, I'm going to just use the chain rule here. So I'm going to rewrite it as d over du integral 1 to u cosine of t dt times du over dx. Now, it's pretty easy. Now, at this point, this is nothing but cosine of u, right? Cosine of u times du over dx. Now, we know cosine of u, which is square root of x, so it's going to be cosine of square root of x, then times du over dx, which is 1 over 2 times square root of x. So my final answer is going to be cosine of square root of x divided by 2 times square root of x. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.